Good morning, children. We will study about Second World War. What is the name of our lesson? The name of our lesson is Political Development of 20th Century. For the last 4 days, we have been studying about political development of 20th century. Now we have to study about the remaining part of the lesson. Now we are learning about Second World War. We already studied about First World War. During 1914 to 1918, this was the period of First World War. 1914 to 1918 period, what happened? First World War took place. And during the time of First World War, the world was divided into 2 blocks. The world was divided into 2 blocks. There is German bloc. German bloc was there. And another bloc was led by Britain. Britain was there in another bloc. Germany was in one bloc, and in another bloc was there. Britain was there. In another bloc, Britain was there. Then, what happened? In the beginning, Germany was defeating other countries. 2 blocks were there. 2 blocks. One was the German bloc and was British bloc. Then German bloc was known as Triple Alliance. They were known as Triple Alliance. This British bloc was known as Allies. Allied powers. Then what happened? In the beginning, Germany began to defeat British bloc. And gradually, who failed? Germany and France failed during the time of First World War. And a treaty was made. A treaty was made between victorious nations and failed nations. An agreement or treaty was made between victorious nations and failed nations. In that agreement, failed nations lost so much money. They lost so much money. And they lost so much land also. They lost so much land also. They lost enough money and they lost so much land also. After Second World War, Hitler became the ruler of Germany. Hitler became the ruler of Germany. After Second World War, what happened? After First World War, Hitler became the ruler of Germany. And Mussolini became the ruler of Italy. Mussolini became the ruler of Italy. So, Hitler became ruler of Germany and Mussolini became ruler of Italy. This was the condition of which one? This was the condition of First World War. Then, Hitler and Mussolini decided to show revenge towards the victorious nations of First World War. During the time of First World War, Italy was with Britain, France, Russia, America, etc. But what happened? After First World War, Italy did not get a due share of the profit of First World War. So Germany became angry with them, Italy became angry with the victorious nations of First World War. So Italy was waiting for a chance to show their revenge towards the victorious nations of First World War. That was the condition. They were waiting for a chance to show their revenge towards the victorious nations of First World War. This was the condition. Then Hitler formed Nazist party in Germany. Nazist party was known as National Socialist Workers Party. That was known as Nazist party. All the political parties other than Nazi party were cancelled by him, were cancelled or abolished by Hitler. All the political parties other than Nazi party were cancelled by Hitler in the land of Germany. And he began to kill Jews also. He told the people of Germany that Jews are really responsible for the decline of Germany in the First World War. That was the idea of Hitler. Then Mussolini was the ruler, dictator of Italy, like and how Hitler was the ruler of Germany. Mussolini also advocated the same thing in the land of Italy. Hitler told so many things in the land of Germany. Likewise, Hitler also told so many things in the land of Italy. Mussolini also told what Hitler had told in the land of Germany was told by Mussolini in the land of Italy. This was a condition of Hitler and Mussolini. Then, during 1939, what happened? Germany attacked Poland or Hitler attacked Poland. Why? Because during First World War time, some land of Germany was taken by victorious nations and had given to Poland. They had given to Poland. This really troubled Hitler for a long time. So, during 1939, what happened? Hitler attacked Poland. This was against the agreement of First World War. All these things were against the agreement of First World War. During the time of First World War agreement, what happened? During the time of First World War agreement, Hitler agreed that he will not attack any other country. But just opposite to that agreement, what happened? Just opposite to that agreement, Hitler attacked the land of Poland. Hitler attacked Poland. Then, the friendly nations of Poland joined together and Axis powers and Allied powers were formed. the world was divided into two blocks, German bloc and British bloc. German bloc was known as Axis powers. That was the name of German bloc. Axis powers, that was the name of German bloc. Axis powers. Germany, Italy, Japan, etc. were the major nations of Axis group. Germany, Italy, and Japan were the major countries of Axis group. And allied powers also were there. Allied powers. Allied powers also were there. Allied powers. Britain, France, Russia, America, etc. were the major countries of this group. Then what happened? During this time, when Germany attacked Poland, Second World War started. Germany or Hitler gave importance to Western Europe. Germany gave importance to attack Western Europe other than Eastern Europe. This was the condition. Then, during this particular time, or during the time of First World War, socialism had developed in Russia. What happened? During the First World War time, or during the middle of First World War, another incident had happened in the land of Russia. About that incident, I had told you people several times regarding about that incident. I had told you several times. Once more again. During this time, during this time, Russia was ruled by Tsar kings. T is the arrow, C is the string. Russia was ruled by Tsar kings. Tsar kings were despots. Tsar kings were really despots. What the Tsar kings did, that we have to Tsar kings. Tsar kings were despots. Then what happened? Tsar kings did not give any freedom to the people of Russia. They began to exploit the people of Russia. They exploited or they began to exploit the people of Russia. They began to exploit the people of Russia. Under Lenin, during this period, revolution happened in Russia. Russia became a socialist country. During the time of Russian Revolution, Russia had withdrawn from the First World War. So Russia became the first socialist country in the world who embraced, who adopted socialism. Russia became the first socialist country in the world who embraced or adopted socialism. Then what happened? This was a condition of Russia. And Russia was afraid of the fact that Germany may attack Russia. There was a fear in the mind of Russia. So an agreement was made between Russia and Germany. No war agreement. The agreement was lost. No war agreement. No war agreement was made. Then, in the beginning of the war, what happened? Germany was defeating all the countries of Western Europe. And in Eastern Europe, Hitler of Germany began king. In the eastern side of Europe, Hitler began king. During this time, America did not enter. During this time, America did not enter to the Second World War. Then what happened? During this period, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. During this period, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. Pearl Harbor actually it was a harbor of Americans. In that harbor, so many ships were there. Inside the ships, so many Americans were there. Then, Japan believed that this harbor, Japan really thought that this harbor was the harbor of other countries or mainly Russians. So Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. In that attack, so many American sailors died. So many American ships were also destroyed. During this particular time, what happened? America came directly to the forefront of which one? Second World War. The arrival of America to the forefront of Second World War changed the direction of the Second World War. In Stalingrad, what happened? In Stalingrad, another thing also happened in Stalingrad. Another thing really happened in Stalingrad. What happened? That we have to think. Russia defeated in the Stalingrad area. Russia attacked and defeated German forces. From this time onwards, the failure of Germany started. Again, America also came to the forefront of Second World War. Then, during 1945 period, it was the ending time of Second World War. Hitler understood that he was going to fail. Hitler committed suicide. During 1945 period, Hitler committed suicide along with his lady lover, Eva Braun. During that time, American troops and British troops came inside the palace of Hitler. They could find out only the dead body of Hitler and Eva Braun. So, Germany failed in the Second World War. Then Mussolini was there. Mussolini was there. During 1945 itself, Mussolini was killed by an ordinary soldier of Italy. So, the two despots were so cruel that they had killed lakhs and lakhs of people. Hitler and Mussolini had killed lakhs and lakhs of people of Italy and Japan. It was mainly because of their event that Second World War broke out. But everything happened beyond their expectations. Germany and Italy failed in the Second World War. Another country was remaining during this time, that was Japan. Japan was the only Axis power which was remaining during the time of Second World War. America requested Japan to accept failure. America asked Japan to accept failure. But what happened? Japan was not ready to accept failure. During 1945 period, America put or kept atom bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki of Japan. During this time, lakhs of people died in the land of Japan because of bomb crash. Japan also accepted failure. So during the time of Second World War also, America was on the side of victorious nations. This was a speciality of America. Then, what happened? During 1945, the UNO was formed. During 1945 period, the UNO was formed. Full form of the UNO is known as United Nations Organization. During 1945 period, the UNO was formed or the UNO was made. The main idea behind the formation of the UNO was to prevent or to stop the coming of another world war on the surface of the earth. Understood? During 1945, UNO was made with this type of an idea in their mind to prevent the coming of another world war was the main idea behind the formation of the UNO. To stop or to prevent the coming of another world war was the main idea behind the formation of the UNO. That was UNO. To prevent the arrival of another world war. And inside the UNO, two types of members were there. Permanent members were there and non-permanent members were there. Permanent members will be there permanently, but the non-permanent members will change after every 5 years. Britain, France, Russia, America, China, all these nations were there among the permanent members. Britain, France, Russia, America, China, all these nations were there are the permanent members of the UN. You can observe one speciality for Britain, France, Russia, America, China. These were the victorious nations of Second World War. Then, what happened after Second World War? We have to think. Again, treaty was made. Again, treaty was made between victorious nations and failed nations of Second World War. Germany, Japan, Italy, etc. lost huge amount of money and land to the victorious nations. They lost huge amount of money and land to the victorious nations. These things happened after Second World War. Then, great economic depression happened. Great economic depression happened in majority of the European countries. What is the economic depression? During the time of post Second World period, prices of necessary items began to increase. Prices or price level of necessary items began to increase. The price level of necessary items began to increase. Mainly, there was a shortage of materials. Shortage of food materials were there in the land of European continent. When there was shortage of food materials, prices of food materials began to increase. Prices of or price level of food materials began to increase. Poverty began to rise. Poverty. Poverty and unemployment began to develop in the land of Europe. What is the meaning of poverty? That is the thing. Poverty means lack of enough food materials to eat. Lack means absence. Absence of enough food materials to eat. That was known as poverty. Poverty became quite common in the land of Germany and other countries. Unemployment became quite common in Europe. Unemployment. Lack of employment chances are known as unemployment. Lack of or absence of employment chances are known as unemployment. Unemployment began to develop in the land of Europe. Prices began to increase. And people began to suffer from poverty. And unemployment began to increase. Economic depression happened in the land of Europe. Great economic depression. It took so many years. For the European nations to come out from their economic problems. After so many years only, European nations came out from their economic problems. Understand now? This was known as economic depression. So, during the time of Second World War, bomb was used. During the Second World War time, bomb was used. Then what will happen? Agriculture began to decline during this time. Agriculture. When agriculture began to decline, there was a shortage of materials. Then industry. What happened? During the Second World War period, industries, trade and commerce began to decline. During the Second World War period, industries, trade and commerce also began to decline. So, after Second World War, there was all-round development, all-round destruction of all the fields, especially in the European continent. Another thing was that after Second World War, the world was divided into two blocks. The world was really divided into two blocks after Second World War. They were American bloc and Russian bloc. They were the American bloc and the Russian group. Then what happened? All the socialist countries in the world stood behind Russia. All the capitalist countries, democratic countries, etc., stood behind America. So, there was Cold War between American group and Russian group. What is the meaning of Cold War? That we have seen. What is the meaning of Cold War, or what is meant by Cold War? That we have seen. War in the air, not real war. War in the air was known as Cold War. There was the absence of real war. All the world nations began to feel that at any time a war may happen. There was Cold War. Dear children, once more I will say about this topic. Political development of 20th century. Political development of 20th century. That is the name of our lesson. For the last 4 weeks, we have been studying about these things. Political development of 20th century. For the last 4 weeks, we have been learning or studying about this topic. Then what is that? Today we have to learn about, or we have to study about Second World War. The particular topic, Second World War, we are learning now. What is that? We already studied about First World War. It took place during 1914 and ended during 1918. After Second World War, what happened? After First World War, Germany was forced to sign one agreement with the victorious nations of First World War. Britain, France, Russia, America, etc. were the victorious countries. And Germany and other failed nations gave enough money and land to the victorious nations. That was the condition. Germany and other failed nations gave enough money and land to the victorious nations of First World War. Hitler became the despot of Germany and Mussolini became the despot of Poland. Despot of Italy. Hitler became the ruler of Germany and Mussolini became the ruler of Italy. Both of them were despots. Their main idea was to show revenge towards the victorious nations of First World War. During 1939, Hitler of Germany attacked Poland. That was the beginning of Second World War. The world then was divided into two zones: Axis powers and Allied powers. Axis powers with Germany, Italy, Japan, etc. were the main countries of Axis group. And Allied group means Britain, France, Russia, America, etc. were there in the Allied group. Then, during this time, Second World War broke out. But Hitler made one mistake during this time. Hitler made one mistake during this time. He began to attack Western European countries. He did not attack Eastern European countries. Then, I already told you people that during the First World War time, Russian Revolution happened inside the land of Russia. Russian Revolution happened inside the land of Russia. Inside Russia, Russian Revolution happened or took place inside Russia. Up to that time, Tsars, T is the day or C is the day or not that time. Tsars were ruling over the land of Russia. They were too cruel, they were very cruel. So, under the leadership of Lenin, Vladimir Lenin, Russian Revolution took place or happened. As a result of Russian Revolution, what happened? As a result or as a consequence of Russian Revolution, what actually happened? Russia became the first socialist country in the world. Russia was known as the USSR, United States of Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Russia was known as USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. That was the name of USSR. USSR, Russia became the first socialist country in the world. Then, during this time, Russia began to feel that. Russia began to fear that. What Russia began to fear? They began to fear that Germany may attack Russia. So, a non-war agreement was made between Russia and Germany. A no-war agreement was made between Russia and Germany. During this time, America did not enter to the forefront of Second World War. America was indirectly giving all the support to America was indirectly giving all the support to Britain, France, Russia, America, etc. Russia, etc. Then another incident happened during this time. Pearl Harbor was the real harbor of America. During this time, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. Japan believed that it belongs to Russia. That was a belief of Japan. In that attack, so many American soldiers, sailors were dead. And American ships also were destroyed. Then what happened? America came to the front side of Second World War. During this time, in a place known as Stalingrad in Russia. Russia defeated Germany. It was during 1945 period. Hitler understood that he may be caught by the British or the American army. During that time, he and his wife, Lady Eva Braun, both of them committed suicide. Hitler and his Lady Eva Braun committed suicide during this time. Then, when British or American army came inside the palace of Hitler, they could find out only the dead body of Hitler and Eva Braun. Then remaining only one despot was there. Mussolini was the despot of Italy. Mussolini. He killed lakhs and lakhs of people in Italy. Like Hitler, who killed lakhs and lakhs of people in Germany. Then what happened? Hitler was killed by an ordinary person of Italy. So, Hitler committed suicide and Mussolini was killed by another person. Second World War broke out mainly because of the greedy nature of Hitler and Mussolini. Only the nation remaining was Japan. America asked Japan to surrender before Britain, France, Russia, America, etc. But Japan did not accept. During 1945 period, America kept atom bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. There were two cities of Japan. These two cities were fully destroyed. Lakhs and lakhs of people died at the spot. Japan also surrendered. So, Second World War came to an end. After Second World War, the UN was made. United Nations Organization was made. There were two types of members inside the UN. Two types of members were there inside the UN. One was permanent members. One group was known as, or one group was permanent members. Britain, France, Russia, America, China, etc. were the permanent members of the UN. Now also they are the permanent members of the UN. Then what happened? Other nations were non-permanent members. Then, during this time, a treaty or agreement was made between failed nations Second World War and victorious nations of Second World War. An agreement was made between failed nations of Second World War and succeeding nations of Second World War. Failed nations gave enough money, land, everything to the victorious nations. This was a period of economic depression. What happened? Agriculture, industry, etc. were destroyed in different parts of the world. More than 30 countries directly participated during the time of Second World War. People began to suffer because of poverty. People had nothing to eat, and unemployment became an important problem of Europe, unemployment. So, what happened? After Second World War, the world was divided two blocks. One was Russian bloc, another bloc was American bloc. With Russia, what happened? With Russia, all the socialist countries began to gather together. With America, capitalist countries and other democratic countries began to gather together. There happened a Cold War between communist countries or socialist countries and between those countries who stood behind America. This was Cold War. Cold War means war in the air, not real war. Always there was a possibility of a war. That was known as Cold War. Dear children, you watch this video and you read the same topic. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.